Get freedom of your engine and move with the power of Goodyear Lubricants. Best quality and extended life. We Goodyear Lubricants are satisfied with performance, protection, best quality, and that's not all. The Goodyear Lubricants oil and greases are inspired by the spirit of 120 years of innovation and experience. With powerful engines specially developed for maximum demands and excellent performance. Goodyear engine oil protects against premature wear and contributes to extended service life of your vehicle. Less friction, more efficiency. Goodyear Lubricants oil. Thanks to the perfect interaction of engine oil and power is delivered exactly where it is needed on the road. With minimum oil consumption and maximum compatibility with all sealing materials. Thanks to the excellent and selected premium grade of base oils and additives to meet the exclusive standards of Goodyear lubricating properties of Goodyear Lubricants oil for more performance and longer endurance in combination with reduced wear and corrosion protection. Enhance the fuel efficiency and extended service life intervals. Lower overall costs. Only the best quality can meet the highest demands. That is what Goodyear stands for: excellence. Goodyear Lubricant. We will keep you running.